further information. The Federation of Persons with Disabilities Joint Organization of Persons with Disabilities yesterday met Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma to submit a petition on various pending demands. Talking to reporters after meeting the Chief Minister, Khasi Disabilities Association President Starwin Kharjana said that they would like to request upon the government for an increment of the unemployment allowance for the PWDs who have cleared the 10th standard onwards from 1,500 rupees to 3,000 rupees per month to uplift their standard of living and meet the basic necessities of life as per RPWD Act 2016, Chapter 5, Section 24, Clause 3H.
New beneficiaries tulong ki nong apply bat mai bat kiro kin yo ya bai ba namar hadu manta ki pri ki ba hapo ya ka class 10 le ki shu aptang na gane ka bai ba man yo na sarkar kalong ru ka jingkershan na ka manta ka jongki ya ka ye ka sem ka jingdon kam ka pag istom ru ju.